Sky ECC and Encrochat served a lot of subscribers. From what is written, it's about 60 to 70,000 subscribers a year that were using the Sky ECC and Encrochat secure phones. First of all, we want to explain to you that there are no real replacement or alternatives to those services. First of all, there are, of course, you can find a lot of secure phones, but you have to understand that those phones are not secured. Okay, as long as you are online, connected to the cellular network, especially, your encryption phone can be totally compromised. It can be intercepted, and whatever you are doing on that phone can be completely read. And they can listen to you, they can read your messages and everything. And it doesn't matter how much encrypted it is. We included in the description of this video, we included also the link to our blog so that you can read in a more detailed way what we are telling you here in this video. But in general, you have to understand that encrypted phones are not giving you any kind of guarantee. And you have the proof of it. Sky ECC has been hacked, Encrochat has been hacked, they has been hacked by the authorities, and this is good, of course, and it happened because you know, a lot of criminals use it. We don't think that 70,000 subscribers, all of them are criminals. A lot of them are legit businesses that wants to you know, regain their privacy, but you have to understand that it has been hacked by someone. In this case, it's the authority. But this means that everyone can hack it. They can hack these secure phones on the hardware level. It means some kind of spyware or malware that is included within the device itself, or kind of backdoor where they can actually access remotely your phone, your encrypted phone, or it's hacked on the server level where all the information is passing, and those servers has been really hacked, the ones of Encrochat and Sky ECC. This is according to what is written outside on the net. Now you have to understand that you are completely naked by using those phones. There is no real advantage to use those secure phones. It's a big illusion, and you have the proof of it. What we provide is what we call encryption devices. It's completely different than encrypted phones. Encryption devices, it's a device where the encryption and decryption is happening. Usually they are offline and they are a separate device, and then you transfer the files to your online to your online smartphone in order to share them online in a very secret way, because they are encrypted in such a strong way that they cannot be decrypted. So this is the way to work. On the description of the video, you have all the links needed. We are here to consult. We will be able to give you an idea on how to create an encryption device by yourself. You don't have to depend on third-party suppliers, because you see, Sky ECC and Encrochat gave you their own cell phone, their own hardware itself, and this can be a huge problem because you can never know what's inside. And you know, those companies bought cheap Chinese phones from some unknown manufacturers in China, and maybe it's already coming with some kind of transmitter inside. So our approach is zero trust. Zero trust means you don't have to trust anyone at any given time. You have to create by yourself the encryption device, and it's very easy to do it. We can give you all the details, be in touch with us, and you have to then install a very powerful and strong encryption system within that encryption device. And this is the way to go about it. Diplomats, intelligence agencies, and armies are working with encryption devices, not with encrypted phones, as you think. So in the next videos, we will explain a little bit more. You are most welcome to get to this blog page. We will send you the link here in the description, and we remain at your complete disposal.